Say goodbye to messy dishes and hello to convenience with the ICUIRE Portable Dishwasher. Compact, versatile, and packed with smart features, this countertop dishwasher is perfect for apartments, dorms, and even motorhomes. Let's take a closer look at what makes this little powerhouse a must-have. The ICUIRE Portable Dishwasher offers two simple ways to get started. You can fill its built-in 5-liter water tank for a completely portable solution, perfect for small spaces or on-the-go use. Or, if you prefer a direct connection, it comes equipped with an inlet hose for easy setup. The flexibility is unmatched, letting you use it wherever and however you like. From everyday cleaning to specific needs, ICUIRE's 6 built-in programs have got you covered. Use the quick mode for a speedy clean, strong for tough stains, or eco for energy savings. It even has a fruit setting to wash delicate produce. Whatever the task, this dishwasher adapts effortlessly to your needs. The ICUIRE dishwasher features a dual spray arm design that delivers a powerful 360-degree clean. Upper and lower spray arms work together to ensure no spot is missed, leaving your dishes spotless every time. It's thorough cleaning, made easy. Don't let its small size fool you. Measuring just 16.7 by 16.9 by 18 inches, this compact dishwasher can hold enough for 3 to 4 people, ideal for couples or small families. And with its built-in drying and ventilation feature, your dishes stay clean and fresh for up to 73 hours, ready whenever you need them. Worried about leaks? The ICUIRE Portable Dishwasher is designed with a secure waterproof seal. You can trust it to run quietly and efficiently without any mess, giving you peace of mind during every wash cycle. Compact, reliable, and packed with features, the ICUIRE Portable Dishwasher is more than just a cleaning tool. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're in a small apartment or on the road, this dishwasher delivers convenience and performance like never before.